Sarasota Sharks, Austin Katz. Lane 3, Neptune Swimming, John Knox. In 4, Pleasanton Seahawks, Maxime Rooney. 5, Class Aquatics, David Huskowski. 6, Munster Swim Club, Wilson Beckman. 7, Tampa Bay Aquatics, Wesley McGovern. In 8, for Ridgefield Aquatic Club, Youssef Abdallah. Consolation final, men's 100-meter backstroke. Just half a second separating your top seed here. From lane number 8, 57-10 was Maxime Rooney this morning. He did tie for 8th place overall, but conceded. Rukowski leads the way from lane 5, 27-46. Then it's Beckman in 6, 27-8. Rooney in 4, 27-9. Pretty quick turnover there from David Puskowski, Class Aquatics, the 17-year-old in lane 5. Burning the field here, and he gets to the wall at 56.58. Big drop from Puskowski's morning swim as he wins the console heat from lane 5. Second, Wilson Beckman in 6, 57.58. And third goes to Rooney of Pleasanton in 4, 57.70.